திரு ஆனந்த் ஸ்ரீனிவாசன் அவர்களின் சாதாரண பங்கு அசாதாரண லாபம் தமிழ் வடிவம் இப்போது கிண்டிலில் கிடைக்கிறது. இந்த புத்தகம் புதிய முதலீட்டாளர்களுக்கு பங்குச்சந்தை பற்றிய ஒரு அறிமுகமாக இருக்கும். இந்த புத்தகத்தை நீங்கள் கிண்டிலில் வாங்க விரும்பினால் வீடியோவின் கீழே இருக்கும் லிங்கை கிளிக் செய்யுங்கள்.
Today I wanted to talk about one of these industries which is badly affected by the corona pandemic and normally is the bellwether industry for recession. I am talking about advertisement and direct marketing. Advertisement is the first one to take a major hit whenever a market goes into recession because people have less money to spend on it. Therefore, by looking at ad spends, one is able to decide whether the market is going up or down. Generally in India, if one has been reading newspapers, one would find the size of the paper has declined over the years. And especially in the pandemic, it was terrible. Well, here is the news from America. For the quarter that is over, that is the first quarter, Google has said that its ads revenues have gone up by 33% on a big base. Facebook says its advertisements have gone up 46%. Amazon, which is a poor third in this game, has grown its advertisement by 77%. Snapchat has grown its advertisement by 66%. And Pinterest has grown its revenue by 78%, albeit on a very low base. What are these numbers telling us? These numbers are telling us advertisement has moved from print and TV media into digital media. As India gets younger and younger and more people have smartphones, India's advertising has changed. Its papers are no longer read. The amount of papers in circulation has come down. I was very surprised when I found out recently that a leading commentator has stopped reading newspapers over 2 years in physical form. Whatever news he wants to pick up, he picks up in the digital format. It is as clear as daylight that print is dying. And within print, newspapers are dying slower than magazines. Weeklies and fortnightly magazines were the most important part of my childhood eras. I remember fondly Illustrated Weekly, India Today, Outlook, Sports World, and Sports Week. Such magazines are not profitable anymore and thus are not in circulation. Same is the case with Business India and Business Week. These are the magazines which I used initially to understand markets. What has happened is advertisement and print has gone down and has gone down steeply ever since digital media has taken over. Most of the ads have moved to the digital platform where Google in Tamil Nadu and India is a big player. In the recent elections, most regional parties spent most of their money advertising in Google and Facebook rather than spend the money advertising in the newspaper. Because the target audience, we know exactly whom we are targeting, what is their demographic profile, and how much money are they spending. Thus, it makes it easier for you to target the ad. If I advertise for a Rolls-Royce vehicle in Hindu, I'm not even one of the users may actually see it. Whereas if I target it digitally, I know the profile of the person whom I'm targeting, thus making targeted advertising quite possible. This has meant that a Rolls-Royce ad in Hindu will not fetch any inquiries, whereas a targeted personal mail to real user in the categories will elicit a greater response. Thus, people who use digital advertising get more bang for the buck, get better sales, get better inquiries, thus making it more easy and more profitable to advertise digitally. And because there is a digital advertisement, there are less of advertising agencies. This means that magazines will definitely die a slow death, and sooner or later, print, not in vernacular India, but English print, is going to find going difficult. A reflection of this trend is what happened over this weekend in the Indian advertising agencies. In the Indian advertising agency, large privately held names were slowly dying down. One of the outliers and one of the holdouts was Rediffusion. Rediffusion was one of the first companies to go digital, and Rediffusion Mail is today the mail ID of many people who went to email eons ago. But even Rediffusion, which bought out its stake in WPP and DY, has said that it is not possible for them to run this company this level. Rediffusion is a partnership between Ajit Balakrishnan and Mr. Khan, with each holding 50%. These guys had bought out WPP about a couple of years ago and said that they would make fresh investments and look at more opportunities in digital marketing, in direct marketing, and especially in healthcare marketing. But within 2 years, what has happened is they have sold this company to a former CEO of theirs called Mogae company, while Mr. Khan will remain as the chairman of the board. Their day-to-day operations will be done by staff reporting to the managing director, and the managing director is Samir Goyal, who has joined just now. Samir Goyal was originally the president of Rediffusion many years ago. He left Rediffusion to start Mogae Advertising. Mogae Advertising today has taken over Rediffusion with both Ajit Balakrishnan and selling out their stake to Mogae. Rediffusion is handling several high-profile clients such as Tata and Sons, Tata Motors, Tata Trust, and was responsible for the launch of Airtel in India. Such a storied and old brand will soon come to bite the dust and will not continue to exist. Thank you for watching. Beat it. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.